is up, guys? I got a quick video for you guys today. Something really cool I got in the mail not too long ago, and I want to show you guys what I got. Yeah, in working on this videography stuff and all that, I've been looking at a bunch of different tools, and something that came to mind was a drone. And so, naturally, I got an Angry Birds drone. And this is all that I have left. Yeah. So what happened was, as soon as I took this out of the box, one, I had promised myself that I wouldn't play with it until later, but I had to. I had an old little helicopter thing like this that I enjoyed that I broke, but I want to take it out and I want to use this as soon as possible. So broke it out, brought it out in the backyard. Started flying it around a little bit, and as soon as I got it off the ground, it was probably about my height. I'm like 5'6", and it was already starting to move. I'm like, what is going on? So what happened was that the wind, if there was a slight breeze, it started carrying it off. Started moving it. So I turned it, and I started fighting against it, and with all its might, it was just not happening. And so it started going towards the trees though, and so if you've been to my house, you maybe know the setup, but like, I didn't want to hit the tree, so I push it up, which was actually the wrong thing to do. I should have just killed it there and let it hit the ground. The wind got underneath it and blew it up and back and back and back and back. And so now I have the controller, but the drone is somewhere in the backwoods. I'm guessing it's somewhere up in a tree right now. But yeah, so I really don't have a review for this. Well, I guess my review is that it is what it was. It's a child's toy, and that it's not a professional, not a DJI drone or something like that. So yeah, if you're in the market for a drone, I'd probably stay away from this. It doesn't do very well in a slight breeze. But anyways, just wanted to make a quick video. Thought it was kind of cool for the 5 minutes that I had it. But yeah, maybe next time. But anyways, hope you guys are doing well. Have a great weekend. Talk to you soon. Peace.